gusto ko itanong, ito, medyo singit lang. Bakit palagi nagchichismis yung name ninyo para maging Secretary of the Interior?
Hindi ko rin nga alam.
Lagi eh.
Hindi ko rin alam. Siguro dahil my father used to be the Secretary of the ILG. I've been in Congress for more than 20 years. No? May legislative experience siguro. Meron din ako experience sa local government because I was once governor. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganun. I think our secretary is doing a good job. Diba?
You think?
I think so, yeah. I think so. He's doing a good job. Hindi ganun kadali kasi yung sitwasyon na kung saan nandoon si Secretary Remulla.
If you were the Secretary of the Interior, would you have been at the Senate earlier? Yung parang nadamay sa tulakan. Kung ikaw tinulak, alam kung nagkatulakan.
You mean today's, ako siguro, baka wala ako doon. Baka wala ako doon.
May police ka, di ba?
Meron naman akong I will probably assign ground commanders no, to make sure that peaceful, walang gulong mangyayari, at wala nang putukan na mangyari sa loob ng Senado. Dahil nakakalungkot isipin na itong institusyon na ito, ngayon medyo iba ang dating sa ating mga kababayan. No? At hindi naman sa nagbubuhat tayo ng bangko because ngayon, kung ang institusyon kung saan ako galing, maganda ang rating.
Di ba? Did you ever imagine?
Well, you know,
kayo pa yung mas disciplined.
kasi nung una, kami yung...
You were the rowdier younger brother.
That's correct. And, you know, we're always... The lower house has always been the weeping boy. Di ba? Exactly. Kaya ganun siguro yung dating. But ngayon, nakita natin yung production, yung pagpasa ng mga batas on third reading, maraming pinasa ang lower house. Well, compared to what they did. No? May rason naman sila. Sinasabi nila, kasi kami pinag-iisipan namin. So, doon naman
parang
ako...
magduda ka pag walang dissent. Kasi ibig sabihin, walang nagde-debate.
Pero kasi nga, yun na. We have a bigger house. Kaya, siyempre, if there are dissents in the proposed legislation, 1 or 2 or less than 10%, it will not even sound loud. Diba? Kasi wala namang hindi halos mapapansin dahil matatabunan siya by sheer numbers. Numbers game itong ating Kongreso.